In this tutorial we're going to go over using the Google Keyword Tool. This is a very powerful tool that a lot of people don't utilize, and a lot of people don't actually know it exists. It's free to use and it provides information on keywords that you're looking for. So if you're trying to start up a website, you're trying to get an article written, you want to get a blog going, no matter what you're trying to do online, you want to research it first, and the best place to start is doing keyword analysis. By finding out what keywords are being typed in by consumers, you're in a better position because you know what people are looking for. So rather than trying to make guesses into what people are actually looking for, do a bit of research and get the real results. So what we're going to do here is we're going to use an example. So if we're looking for accountants in West London, we can go ahead and do this search. Now, just so you understand, here is where we can type in words or phrases. You can tick this box here if you only want to show ideas closely related to your search terms. So when it provides the keyword ideas in the results, it will provide a lot of different feedback. So what you can do is tick this and it will keep it very related to your keyword that you've chosen there. If you do want to add in more keywords, you can actually type them in now, and this will bring back results for these exact ones. In saying that, you will also bring back results when you push search from Google showing related words, so these might get picked up anyway, but for your main keywords, definitely put in more than one if you have them. For advanced options and filters, we can break it down to the country. So if you're in the United Kingdom or United States or any country you want, break it down for that local area. If you're going for a global keyword, you can select all countries. So we'll keep it selected since it's London on United Kingdom. You can also choose the language that you want it to be. Here we have some different options, so you can include specific content. You can show ideas and statistics for, so if you're trying to do it for your desktop or your laptop devices, or whether it searches via mobile. And you can also filter keywords, so if you're trying to look for impressions or CPC, which is cost per click, or different type of filters, go here and select them. We're going to go ahead and push search and see what comes back now. What we have now is we have accountants in West London. If we look up here at the competition, we can see it's quite a competitive search term. It's high, and for accountants London it's also high. We can scroll across here to global monthly searches, and we can see how many times worldwide these are being typed in. And we can also scroll across to local monthly searches, which is for the country you selected. So as you can see, accountants London on a broad search term is a lot more viable as a keyword. It's searched in a lot more often, and it's what people are looking for compared to accountants in West London. In saying that, you will find it easier to rank for keywords such as accountants in West London than you possibly will for accountants London. If we go over here to the left hand side, we can see match types: broad, exact and phrase. What these means: the broad match is the sum of the search volumes for the keyword idea related, grammatical forms, synonyms and related words. Phrase match, the sum of the search volumes for all terms that include the whole phrase. Exact match, the search volume for that keyword idea. So what each of these means is, a broad match is it's got the word or it's got some idea related in there. It's very broad. Phrase match means that you've got the whole phrase in there. So you could have words before or after, but you've got the keyword in there somewhere. Exact match means exactly what you type is what is there. So I like to have a look at the exact match because this is going to give you a good idea of exactly what people are typing in. And you can see the results do change. So we've gone from 720 local searches for accountants in West London to exactly 46 searches per month for accountants in West London. And you can see it does dramatically drop for accountants London as well. It's very powerful to make sure that you do look at the exact search terms, because you may find broad has a very high search volume, but for exact it's not very high and it may not be a very good keyword to go after. If we look at the keyword ideas that Google has given us, you can see that they are trying to give you ideas of what else you can look for. So you can see they've got Chartered Accountants London, they've got Accountants in London, Chartered Accountant London, and these are all variables. So what you want to do is go through this list and then check out what the local monthly search volumes are. Some people say that you should be looking for 10 searches a day, which would equal around 300 matches per month. I personally believe if you can find a keyword and it's being searched for and it looks like you can target it from a search engine optimization perspective and get your business or website or article ranked fairly easily, then start off there. I'd like to have a lot more keywords on page 1 than a very competitive keyword on page 3. Small amounts of traffic do add up, and as your blog, your website, or whatever you're distributing your information to builds up authority, you will then be able to rank for the harder keywords. If you want to go ahead and find keywords in different niches, all you need to do is change your searches each time. This box here is very important and it's going to allow you to look for anything you're after. So no matter what industry you're in or what you're trying to achieve, come here and get the results first. The last parts of the puzzle are on the left hand side here, and we've got what we call include terms and exclude terms. What we can do here is we can include search phrases and we can exclude search phrases so that when we search for our results we're not getting them coming up. This tutorial is how to use the Google Keyword Tool. I highly recommend you bookmark it and use it often, because you may find that what you think your potential customers are looking for, they're not actually typing in what you think. And you may be surprised how often people are actually typing in these different keywords. If there's a service or a product and it's online, you will find people are looking for you, and it's your job to find those keywords by utilizing free tools like the Google Keyword Tool to help you.